Monica. I am so excited to have you here for a macrame notes for a beginners. Whether you are brand new to macrame or looking to sharpen your skill, this course will guide you step by step through the essentials you need to know to get started. In this course, we will start with the basic like the square knot. Moving on to more complex knot as we go. Each lesson is designed to be simple and easy to follow. So don't worry if you are starting from scratch. By mastering these knots, you will be able to create a beautiful designs like wall hanging, plant hanger, and so much more. There are the building blocks of endless creative projects. Before we dive in, make sure you have your macrame pot ready and your workspace set up. Don't forget to pause, rewind, and practice as much as you need to. Remember, macrame is all about patience and creativity. Let's learn some knots and bring your creativity to life. See you in the first lesson.
Join the ends of the cord to make a loop. Then, hold this loop head behind a wooden stick, forming a half round. Pull the ends of the cord through the loop head from inside to outside. Let's practice this one more time. Join the ends of the cord to make a loop. Hold this loop head behind a wooden stick, forming a half round. Pull the ends of the cord through the loop head from inside to outside.